What's up, guys? Me and Natalie here today, trying not to listen to
Stop,
my sister.
Juliana.
We've got slime again, and we are going to be making some noises. Because last time I didn't do the slime challenge where you have to make noise with your slime. But I keep going, and it feels nice. So I'm going to put it down. They have a table to do it.
Natalie, did you just fart?
Oh, by the way, guys, it's farting party. And we're not farting this video if you're asking.
Stop.
But my sister's trying to do that. Farting me. I like this.
Stop it! I told you to do that outside.
Grand farted.
I don't even fucking care with you guys.
Who guys? Us guys?
Seriously, don't. No, these assholes. Technicians. Dickheads. Bunch of jerks.
They are.
Care less of any of the luck anymore. That's how mad I am.
So, we got this.
I don't give a fuck about us.
If you're wondering how I did this,
I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck.
so just stop talking to them.
I just want to quit.
Oh, and don't forget we are making a sale for
Huh?
Etsy.
What?
Apple. Helicopter. Ow. It's like a mermaid that goes. Whack. Just whack me. Eat.
This job just sucks so bad.
That sounded so wrong. This job sucks so bad. If you get what I mean when